Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Back again, I bring another video. You can make money online by clicking links. I want to do like a series, so this week I'm going to bring the website that you can make money by clicking links or clicking advertisements, something like that. So I try to find those websites and make a video for that. I'm just only not going to make a video. I will do the sign up process and everything. I will show inside how you can promote, how you can make money from that, guys. Before that, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like and share. If you really like my video, press the like button, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so you will get notified when I release a new video. And I try to upload one video per day, so following us doesn't go to anything. We are not selling courses, we are sharing free knowledge, guys. So this website, you can make a $5, at least a $5 by clicking advertisements. So this is an advertisement platform. The publishers put the advertisement of their website, so you went there and click that link and you get paid. So the minimum link payout or payment for clicking link is 1 pence. So different links has a different amount. Also there's a different account types. So when you sign up, you have a free silver account. When you want to go gold or platinum, you have to pay for the monthly subscription, even though you are making money from that. And then you make money from other ways. I will talk about in a coming steps, guys. So what is this website? Is free to sign up, it's worldwide, and it is easy to create an account, so nothing is required from you, and you can click the advertisement and make money from it. And they will add advertisement every single day. So if they upload 5 to 6 in the morning, then the evening, in the night, so every day they put advertisements, so you can make money when you have a free time, or if you have free times. The minimum payout is $5. That's why I said you can make at least $5 by clicking links. And the payout is PayPal or bank transfer. If you are living in foreign country, they will do Western Union also. So what is this website? This website is called starclick.com. so you can go and check it out here. There's a section for publisher, there's a advertiser. So this is the advertiser, where if you have a website, you can spend at least $5 to promote your website here. And if you have a publisher, to earn money online, you just go and create an account and you can get paid instantly and withdraw your balance quickly and quick and fast. So you have to go to here. If you want to learn more information, go to publish and click how to make money. It will take to this page where you can get all the informations, sign up, sign in. You have to confirm the email to sign in, and you click the advertisement, withdraw the money. So you can see minimum is 1 pence, but different advertisement pay different amount. Payout is PayPal and bank transfer. You can click every single day. There's no there's unlimited earning potentials. There's no restriction. So you have a silver account, you want to gold and platinum, have other benefits. Then you can download your desktop and mobile app. So this website also have a mobile app, so you can download that and you can get paid referrals. These are 3 different referrals out there, so each of them pay different amount. I will show you in a way, guys. So this is the section that when you understand everything, you have to go and click sign up. You will take to this page where you have to click become publisher account, not advertiser account. You need to follow this step. It's going to take 2 minutes to complete the sign up process, guys. So I will sign into my account here. You can see here, this is the section. This is a dashboard, so you can see I have a silver account. For gold membership is I need to upgrade. There's no monthly fee, just $5.90. Then you can upload them. So why you need to have other subscription, I'll talk about, guys. So when you have to come here to click pay per click, and it will open to this pocket section. You need to click PPC. PPC are free to your accounts. So I need to sign in back again. Now I sign in back. This again I had to click the PPC ad, pay per click ad, and the first one, it will take to this page where the recent offers are available. So these are the links. So if you click this one, if the advertisement opening in the second tab, but here your balance is automatically added to your dashboard. So by clicking that, you will get you can make money. But this website is also a best way to promote an affiliate offers. I will make a video in the future, so if you have different affiliate offers, you can build a landing page and promote this website, and you can convert them in a way, but I will talk about in the future. But here we only care about making money by clicking links. So you see, every time I click a link, my balance is added. After this offer is finished, they will upload new offers. So you go every 2 to 3 hours, go and check it out. That's why you download the mobile app. Also, if you click this one again, people click at this HTML code. This is the banner advertisement, so you can put it in the website or something like that, but I don't know because I need to have a gold membership or platinum membership for that. But don't leave that, guys. Now, for now, you need to go, you can make money by clicking the links. But if you ask, is there any payment through? If I get $5, when I make a $5, I will make another video. But now you can go and check like this one, top members. You can see these people are making series of amount of money for me, guys, because of now this present situations, number of advertisement is less. But you can see this guy withdrew on March 28th $223, guys, and this guy's 135. So the work, this is the example, is work worldwide: USA, Australia, Sri Lanka, India, Iran, Canada. So we work worldwide, guys. So go and check it out, this website, and there's nothing gonna cost you, guys. Just you can make money by clicking the link. So thanks, guys, for watching my videos. If you really like my video, and don't forget to click the subscribe buttons. And again, following us doesn't go to zero, and we provide a free knowledge for your support, guys, not for the money. Thanks, guys, for watching my video. Subscribe, like, and share. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. See you on next one.